Howdy folks, just a real quick little tech tip I wanted to share with y'all today. I want to show you how to safely change a lawnmower blade on one of these riding mower decks without cutting yourself or doing anything too crazy. Normally I don't take the deck off to change the blades, but I had to beat a dent out of it today, so I went ahead and took it off. This process I'm going to show you works really well whether it's installed and you're working upside down or if you're looking at it face up like this. This is a lot easier to show for demonstration purposes, so I decided to make the video. I need a piece of hay string. If you don't have any hay string, go buy some hay and then you can cut the string off of the bale. But anyway, wrap it around the tire, and then I'm going to wrap it around the blade. I'm going to do that 2 or 3 times. So that it holds nice and tight. I'm going to take my socket wrench. And it'll bust loose just like that. That way you're not trying to hold the blade or it's not spinning around and smacking you while you're loosening it up. Alright, so now putting it back together is just as easy in reverse order. You set your blade on, make sure you get it lined up right, and go ahead and put the nut on finger tight before you try putting the string back on. It'll just get in your way otherwise. Loop that string around there a couple of times so that it'll hold tight. Put some tension on it. Get your socket wrench, line it up on there, start cranking away. Now be sure you tighten this blade to the manufacturer's torque specification. Alright? Thanks for watching. God bless.